my colleague Shri Muralidharan ji to the Vailar village, where the recently one of our workers was brutally murdered, and one more is very severely injured. This shows the leftist ideology people, especially the Communist Party Marxist, wherever they are in power, they instigate, they promote the violence. This previously in West Bengal also we had witnessed this, and the same people, they are into the Trinamool Congress after the fall of CPIM, and now in Kerala this is as usual continued, and we have seen under the left regime here in Kerala, many people of other ideology have been killed, murdered brutally. And in democracy, everybody has got right to put forth views, put forth his ideology, and ultimately people will decide. But these left people never believe in democracy, because basically they are communist, and whoever doesn't like their ideology, they are murdered, they are killed, they are injured, their houses are attacked. This is the common practice, and so it has happened recently to both of our workers who are our committed workers, Sri Nandu Krishna and Sri Nandu. After the completion of Bharatiya Janata Party's program, a peaceful program, while returning, this violence attack has been articulated, engineered with the indirect help of political establishment in the state, that is CPIM. I charge this government that you are the people who are trying to hush up the things, indirectly support the murderers. So far the main culprits, they have not been arrested. Few people have been arrested, but the people who actually attacked on the spot, there were 8 people, as you all know very well. One is killed and one is injured. Other people who were there with Sri Nandu and Nandu Krishna, they were explaining in front of you to me and Sri Muraliji that the main accused is so far not arrested. This violence has no place. I am telling to Chief Minister today, Pinarayi Vijayan, the same thing was done in West Bengal during your regime, believing that TMC may give relief of all these things. They voted, now TMC is also behaving, and in the same manner how the left was thrown out, dethroned, in the same manner the TMC is also going to be outed this time. If you do not arrest and bring the peace in the state immediately, you will be also thrown out. And now at the mid of the election, murdering and trying to threaten other ideology people is nothing but dictatorial attitude. people who are talking of intolerance, in their own state, what is happening, they have to see it. And they may be thinking that throughout the country and even in Kerala, the BJP, day by day, it is growing. Our vote share is going up. That's why by threatening like this, they are thinking that our growth can be curbed, curtailed. But BJP and our ideological जो परिवार हमारा है, we have faced all these things. Peacefully we will face this, legally we will face this, and people will teach you a lesson for supporting such a type of activities in the state. All these parties, may it be Communist Party, may it be the Congress Party, this Popular Front of India and SDPI people have always been supported by them. I want to just to make you understand how these parties are behaving. The same type of violence in some part of Karnataka by SDPI and PFI people, such activities were done. But the then Siddaramaiah government, after coming into the power, they withdrew all the cases filed against them. More than few hundred cases were withdrawn against SDPI and PFI and SDPI. These people who are fighting against each other in Kerala, but in fact their ideology, their thinking, their approach, their attitude is same. Appeasement. Kill the people who do not like their ideology. Kill the people who democratically they oppose them. I call upon the people, this is the high time that we should end this violence. Everybody has got right to put forth their ideology in front of people. Once again, I urge Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan to immediately arrest and seriously book the cases against them who are yet to be arrested. Some people are roaming here and there. That's why even the families, the affected families, still they are under the fear psychosis. And you can understand the plight of the mother. He is the only son, Mr. Nandu is the only son. And she was living with them, and such a young boy, at this age, if that mother loses the son, what will be the plight of that mother? In spite of having all these things, one person has lost his left hand. In spite of all these things, there is no seriousness to the state government. I strongly condemn the attitude of the state government. At the same time, I urge them at least now learn a lesson and stop this violence. India as a whole and Kerala in particular, people will never tolerate the violence. People will be putting reply for all these things, and by this, whatever you have done, nepotism, corruption, all such things, you may be thinking by curbing BJP, you may come out of all these things, but that will not happen. BJP will take it as a challenge, and I also assure you that state BJP will take care of those families, their treatment and their welfare. Thank you.
Sir, the local BJP leadership of Kerala is more satisfied with the local investigation, especially Kerala police. Is there any chance to central investigation?
Now at present, I can only urge the state government. Otherwise, if you do not have proper machinery or something like that, or a political will, rather I can say political will, then you hand over the case to CBI. We will inquire and you give us free hand, we will bring this violence to an end.
Sir, what is your opinion in law and situation, especially in Kerala? In this,
No, the total corruption, mismanagement, malgovernance, and nepotism everywhere in every level of the government, their own party cadres, and that's why people are these goons of these 2-3 parties. They are feeling that either this government or that government we are safe. This situation has to end. अंग्रेजी ले रहे हैं तो ट्रांसलेट कर
The violence of SPPI and the government, the left government support, आपको the government support.
मुझे ये लगता है विदाउट द moral support of the state government, this incident cannot happen. Whatever has happened in Kerala, Vailar, it is with the support of this communist people, and communist people doesn't believe in peace, doesn't believe in democracy. And this as we have witnessed, may it be in Bengal or now it is in Kerala. The people who, जो लोग उनके आइडियोलॉजी लाइक नहीं करते हैं, ऐसे लोगों को फिजिकली असैसिनेट करने का, मार देने का, ख़त्म करने का काम कम्युनिस्ट और कांग्रेस पार्टी कभी भी करती रही है।